many of the people say that, like I'm talking about the greatest people, that always keep in your life some rules and regulation and discipline which will motivate you to do the things even you are sleeping, and in the morning you have to get up.
Obviously it's not good. If I want to achieve anything in my life, so we should not waste the time. We should do work. Yeah, we should do something for better life, because
Okay.
people not interested to buy your clothes. They are
Okay.
habitual to like cheap and best. Nowadays
Okay.
scenario is cheap and best.
You can
Yeah.
tell me like why English for you? Same question.
Okay, okay, it's a very interesting question. First of all, I have many purpose behind this language because
Okay.
I'm a mother. So first, I want to create English environment at home for my son, especially for my
Okay.
son being a mother, because you know what is the importance of English in these days. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah.
And the second thing is my study is going on, and when I will complete my study, then I will join a school as a teacher. So being
Okay.
a teacher, it's a very important to know the English language very well. Hmm.
Great. So you have said that you are doing your masters in the commerce, right?
Commerce.
So I think there will be a many fields. So what is your major there?
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
In a commerce also there is a many part, right? I think finance,
Marketing,
market,
finance, accounting.
yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
HR, something. I don't have much idea in that sector,
Yeah,
but I
yeah,
have
yeah.
some friends who are working in the industry and also they are pursuing. So I just get to know. So what is your field?
Actually, I'm doing a master's in commerce, so my field is marketing and you can say marketing and business marketing related parts. But I'm just completing as a degree. I'm not interested too much to go in commerce field because I'm interested in teaching.
Okay, so you just wanted to complete the degree anyhow. Okay.
Hmm.
So obviously
Yes.
you will be studying about that. You will be have some idea about your subject and what
Yes,
you are
yes,
studying.
I have idea. I have idea because
Okay.
commerce is a subject only for like marketing, business, accounting. Yes, all economic words related. The all like all
Finance
manager,
things and all.
accounting person. They all belong from commerce sector. Commerce is a
Yeah.
vast area, and they're like everywhere used. If you are just open your shop, yeah, accounting, laser, balance sheet, these are very important.
Right,
Yes,
right.
I know these are things, but now
Okay,
my
so
interest is changed. Yes.
I just one question related to your subject, marketing. So how can I say that? What is marketing for you? And okay, sorry. So
Hmm.
what is marketing for you, and how do you define the marketing, and how are you seeing the world as a marketer?
Okay. First of all, I want to tell like if anyone like a start business in a market. Yes. So first you know the market behavior. What is the
Okay.
requirement of the market? Without knowing the consequences, without knowing the people choice, like, dislike, if you are just running any kind of shop, any kind of business, it will be difficult for you to survive a long term. So first you know the public behavior in a market, their like, their dislike, and this kind of thing in trending. Yes,
Okay.
going in a market in a, and which kind of things people more like to buy. So first you know the market behavior, then you will start any kind of business.
Okay. Great.
Yeah, it's a,
So you mean to say that before any starting the shop, if someone wanted to do the business, do the
yes
research,
you, yeah,
what is the behavior of market, how the people are interested, what is the trend actually, right? And
yeah,
what the people likes and all. Yeah, great, yeah. Super.
because without idea, like if you don't have any kind of idea, you just thinking like I'm going to start a business, so it's very typical to, because in a market lots of competition, and you will
Right.
not able to survive in a market. So first you know each and everything, then you will survive.
Great. Any marketing strategy like you feel that which is unique and which we should follow as when the businessman is starting their business? Any marketing strategy? I think
Marketing
it's going
stuff.
to be a deep question.
Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. I will try to give my best because my study is going on, so I will relate. I will try to give a proper answer. You can repeat again, please.
I mean to say that, like, suppose someone has opened the business. Okay, like
Hmm.
suppose take a one scenario that I have opened the shop, garment shops. Okay, like I'm selling the clothes related to men's, women's, and but I wanted to make the people knows that yeah, I have opened the shop and I have a best quality of the product. You come
Hmm.
and buy, in the simple example, prachar.
Hmm.
I wanted to prachar. So as a
Okay.
marketer, obviously you have to do the marketing of your product. So any strategy nowadays which is trained and like you feel that it can be a good.
Okay, so first, if you want to start, so first thing you fix in your mind, that is price must be according to your market. Yes, because if you are selling very high quality clothes, very high price clothes in a market, and that market is all the competitor are selling a very low. Yeah,
Okay.
so it will be typical for you to survive because
Okay.
people not interested to buy your clothes. They are
Okay.
habitual to like cheap and best. Nowadays
Okay.
scenario is cheap and best. Yeah.
Right.
So first you know which type of like market, which type of people choice. All they want to buy a good quality like in cheap. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Less money but more profit.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So yeah, same thing you fit in your mind, and you just use like take out your product and produce a good product, but less quality and better quality. You just bear in mind, and then you will maybe, and you also, because it is a business market, is not possible in a very starting stage. You just open your market and it will run very fast way. You will start earning a profit because business is a very risky things. Hmm?
Yeah. Right. Right. Right.
It's a, if you have a patience, then you will able to survive. Otherwise it will be difficult.
Yeah, correct. What I feel that in the market, as you said, it is a good for the local market. I don't know. I don't have much idea, but
Hmm.
I feel that if you are providing the good quality, because
Quite
nowadays
in a
people
cheap
are
way. Yes,
yeah
cheap price.
not
Yes.
much focusing. Even the like most of the people are not focusing on the price. They want a good quality and they are ready to pay how much you are saying. But yeah, in some market the people we say that like yeah, we want something which is should be good and we have to pay less. Okay.
Yes.
I'll tell you one story. I think yesterday I was watching one podcast. I'm the person who love to listen the podcast. So there was a one marketing strategy. Okay, recently I haven't seen in my area, but there is a one in a market there is a chips packet very famous, Lay's, right?
Less. Yes.
Yeah, and so nowadays in the market, many of the market, the one product is dominating, that is called Balaji. Maybe you have
Mm-hmm.
heard or not. I don't know. It is a
Mm-hmm.
similar product like Lay's and all.
Less.
So what
Yes.
the now in a very shorter period of time they have spread everywhere, and they have make their own place in the big market of the
Big
lake.
market.
Okay, they are standing out. So what they have done, I feel it's a very funny actually. What they have done, they have hired many of the people like in the very less salary, 10,000, 15,000, and they have targeted one area. Okay, and in the particular area there are many of the shops, okay, like general store shops and all who used to sell these kinds of product. So all their how can employ, they used to go to the shop. Hey, do you have a Balaji chips? He says, no, I don't know what is Balaji chips. Okay. One day, after 1 week, again 1 month, after 2 months, one day the shop, the product, okay, he just took that product and he said, hey, you want Balaji product? He asked to the shopkeeper. Then he thought, hey, everyone is asking about the Balaji product. Okay, I should take it. And like that, they have make the strategy and they have spread everywhere. So this story yesterday I have listened, and I feel it is a good like mouth to mouth. When people start hearing that yeah, people are talking about this, so everyone start taking the interest in that.
Yes.
So in Hindi we say "जो दिखता है वही बिकता है." So
दिखता
yeah,
है.
something that's like
Yes, 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 it is true. Sometimes it's happen in business. It's yeah, it's very rarely,
I
but happen.
I had yeah. So I just love to listen these all the things because I'm the I curious person, you can say, knowing about this all the thing. So I found that yeah, you are a marketing student, so I should ask this question. Okay, but
Okay, yes, yes.
yeah, okay. So
Actually, mhm,
yeah, yeah, go on.
mhm. Actually, I completed my graduation in 2016 and I lost my touch. Yes, and now I'm doing for Master of Commerce. So it's a long
It's
distance.
okay. It's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
it's
I
long
just
distance.
yeah, it's
Hmm.
okay. Fine. Okay, so what's your hobbies? What would you like to do in your free time apart from
Leisure
YouTube
time.
and talking to the people?
Huh. Okay. Leisure time. First, I like to read book. Yes, I am very interested to reading book. Not only
Okay.
English book, sometimes motivational story book,
Ah,
and yes. And nowadays, more and more try to focus myself on English language to enhance
okay.
my communication. Hmm.
What is your
And
favorite book which you have read till now?
recently, I am reading a book. Currently, I am studying like a book written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Ignited Minds. You heard the name?
I know APJ Abdul Kalam. I know he have written many of the books. There was a
Hmm.
one book I think called Agni, something like that. Uh,
Maybe yes.
I don't know. I don't have much remember. Okay,
Okay.
great. Yeah, you were also saying something about your hobbies. I have interrupted. You can continue.
Yeah, yeah. And I read. I like to read book. And second thing, and nowadays it's also become my hobby. You can say interact with people, more and more
Okay.
people. Yes. You know what happening with me? Like today,
Uh-huh.
I'm not going. I'm not feeling good in morning time, and I think like I'm not going to do any session today. I'm just taking it. But suddenly, what happened? I'm not feeling good. It's become my habit. No, no, no. I'm not going to break my persistence. It's very important for me. Yes. So this kind of things happening with me. So it's also become my hobby. You can say habit.
Yeah, actually, many of the people say that, like I'm talking about the greatest people, that always keep in your life some rules and regulation and discipline, which will motivate you to do the things even you are sleeping, and in the morning you have to get up. Oh,
Yeah, if you are connected with book, you know what?
yeah,
You will easily, it means you not waste your time. When you are wasting your time, you realize, no, I'm doing a not a good thing. It's not good. If I want to achieve anything in my life, so we should not waste the time. We should do work. Yeah, we should do something for better life, for knowledge, for achieve anything. Yes.
yeah. So that's why it's a great thing that something we should have in our life that will motivate us to do the things. Anything, it could be your goal, and I'm not saying that yeah you can achieve the goal on the long, but yeah, any shorter period of goal and daily a disciplined routine. You should have two,
Mhm.
three routines on the daily basis. That yeah, anyhow I have to complete these three, four tasks on the daily basis. Yeah,
So
great. So
you
how it
follow
goes?
our like
Yeah.
timetable.
No, see, okay, I'll tell you one thing about the timetable. In my 8th class, okay, since there the timetable has came, okay, that teacher was saying, make your proper timetable
Yes,
and follow that every day. तो
yes.
हमें पता नहीं था कि टाइम टेबल होता क्या है, हाउ टू मेक इट. सो वी वर लाइक ओके 5 बजे सुबह उठना है. And yeah, after that 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock I have to study physics, then chemistry, then I have to go to school, then have to back, then I have to play half an hour, then I will have the dinner, and then I will go for sleep. So it was like that routine, and it's never I have followed seriously. One day full jose, 2 days full jose, third day gone. So it was like that.
Yeah. Like
Now
sometimes you're not able to fulfill your work. You're not able to complete your task. Then you feel regret, demotivate.
exactly.
Yes. And you will not
So
feel
same thing
happy.
was,
Yes.
yeah, same thing was going on.
Mm.
I feel that I'm I'm doing nothing, when I get scolded by my teacher and my parent, again routine, and again make the routine, again everything is but yeah, when I came in my 12th, then I had watched one videos on the YouTube. I'm the person who consume the always a good content on the YouTube. Okay, so
Mhm.
I watched the video. Then I understand one thing, that routine means not like that time to time.
Mhm.
Because what happens? Suppose you have fixed your time that, yeah, I will get up in the morning in the 5 o'clock, but by because of some reason you haven't slept in the early night, and
Right.
so you get up 5:30, and when you get up you saw the time that it's a 5:30, I already half an hour late because of my routine. So
Yes.
you already get demotivated. So
Mm-hmm.
best routine is that just think, prioritize the things that, yeah, I will get up in the morning, I have to finish this work anyhow
But
in the day. That's it. That is the routine.
yes.
So for me, I have some of the basic routine which I have been following since so many days. I get up in the morning 5 to 5:30. Okay, it's a fixed time. Sometimes I get up late, around 6 o'clock. Okay, but okay, I'm not bothered about that. I do my
Mm.
work. Okay, so I get up, I go for
Yes.
running, I do meditation, some workouts. Okay. Then I came, and it's my fixed routine that I have to prepare my breakfast, I have to cook my lunch, I have to
Mhm.
pack, and I have to go my college. I'll be backing off the college 5:30. Then I have some rest because I'm full of exhausted whole day. And then yeah, I cook my dinner. Then some
Mm.
of hours of study. If I get time, I talk to the strangers on some of the application. And yeah, I take some of my time to edit the videos on the daily basis. I do one or two editing, okay, because it's a rule I have made that, yeah, I'll do. And reading some 2 3 5 pages of the books. And yeah, I
Books.
get sleep around 10 10:30, hardly 11, okay, not more than that. So it's
Yes.
a
Yes.
discipline which I follow. And I think we should follow, we all should follow some discipline, some timetable, okay, that
Yes,
yeah, this
it
is
is
my.
not necessary to make a proper chart paper, timetable, and you hang on your wall, and always your mind is watching. Yeah, and then if you not complete, then you feel regret. It is not need. You just fix work in your mind, and you make sure I will complete this task today. That's enough. Okay.
Yeah, there is
It
a
doesn't matter which time I am doing, but I will complete.